In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email on your Hostinger account. If you need to update the email address connected to your account, Hostinger makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside hPanel so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account and starting from the home page in hPanel. This is the main dashboard area where you can access your hosting tools, websites, billing, and account settings. If you're not already on the home screen, go there first so you can follow along easily. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Hostinger keeps personal and account-related options. If you don't see it right away, just check the upper right area carefully, since that's where profile settings are usually placed. After the menu appears, click on Account Information. This will take you into the section where your personal account details are managed. It's the area you'll use anytime you want to review or update information tied directly to your Hostinger profile. From there, locate the Account Settings section. Take a moment to scan the page until you find the part that includes your current email address. This is important because the email field is the setting you'll need to edit in order to make the update. Next, click on your current email field. This tells Hostinger that you want to modify the address currently attached to the account. Once the field becomes editable, you'll be ready to enter the new information. Now type in your new email address carefully. Make sure it's an address you can access, since account-related notifications, confirmations, and security messages may be sent there. It's a good idea to double check for spelling mistakes before moving on, because even a small typo could prevent you from receiving important emails. When the new email address is entered correctly, click Continue. This submits the change and moves you to the next part of the update process. Depending on Hostinger's security settings, you may be asked to verify the change, so keep an eye on your inbox if any confirmation is required. And that's how to change the email on your Hostinger account. As a final tip, after updating your email, it's worth confirming that the new address is active and accessible so you don't miss future account alerts or login related messages.